Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get electricity off the grid. First, you need to assess your energy requirements. Consider all the appliances you plan to use, from small electronics to larger items like refrigerators. Accurately calculating your daily energy consumption, typically measured in kilowatt hours, is crucial. This initial step helps you properly size your entire off-grid system, ensuring you have enough power for comfortable living without relying on the main utility grid. Once you know your energy needs, select a primary power source. Solar panels are very popular, converting sunlight directly into electricity. Wind turbines are excellent for areas with consistent breezes, harnessing kinetic energy. For those with access to flowing water, a small hydroelectric system can provide a reliable, continuous power supply. Each option has unique benefits, so choose the one best suited to your specific environment and resource availability. Beyond your power source, several key components are essential. Batteries are vital for storing surplus energy generated during peak production, allowing you to use power at night or on cloudy days. A charge controller protects your batteries by regulating the incoming power, preventing overcharging or deep discharge. Finally, an inverter transforms the direct current, or DC, stored in your batteries into alternating current, or AC, which is what most household appliances use. For a safe and efficient off-grid system, consider professional installation. Experts can ensure all components are correctly wired and optimized for your specific setup. Ongoing maintenance is also crucial for longevity. Regularly inspect your solar panels for debris and clean them to maximize energy capture. Check battery terminals and connections periodically. With proper care, your off-grid electricity system can provide reliable power for many, many years.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.